My people, na good day. This na man on the street for Pidgin News Network. Another yawa don dey gas for Houston, for that state wey they call Texas, for USA. This one, the people come out say they don't tire for this lockdown matter. They say they no fit stay house again. As we try to block one of them, wey name na Nathaniel Collin, make he tell us why they protest. He said they don't tire against this lockdown and closing of their businesses. He said they want make this protest so that their business will come back and their life will bounce back. Some even carry placard for the background. They shall say they won't walk. They won't walk. It can't make me remember waiting that palais we rule America that year. Wey name na John F. Kennedy. He said make you think first. What you go do for America? Maybe what America go do for you. Maybe now make these people they talk say they won't walk. Some even carry placard. They talk say to go to church. Now we're right. Say we won't go to church. Some people talk say Bill Gates, I bet can carry your poison go. Some even talk say American Constitution cannot be quarantined. As you see, as all of them, they shaku, they magu, they go. Now we say no, we could try to somebody, we could talk to somebody who if you listen to us. Now we call one sister where her name na Daniela Gambua. And Daniela Gambua say, this corona matter, the way people they take them, make them they quarantine everybody. They quarantine the quarantination of the people. He said it's not supposed to be like that. He said the thing no bad like that too. So why would they quarantination and the quarantining of the people and make them quarantine and isolated in the lockdown quarantitus? He says, sister, what did this one mean? He said we don't tire to stay out. You can't see some children with they carry placard. They say, I beg, oh, we won't go back to school. He said, because to go to school, now our right as children, where God give us. We can't see, say, as the matter they go, nobody won't hear word for the matter. Now we take our camera, make roadblock for one sister, where her name is Jennifer Freeman. She talks, say, see, my life, my death, now my choice. He say, all of these things, now my personal decision. He say, so government no fit tell me, say, make I stay out. They fit tell palais, maledem, and restaurants, say, me they keep distance. He say, but for me and other people, say, make we stay out, make we no work. He said that na serious gbege. Why? Because this na America, so you no fit lock us down. My people, and big protest dey leg gbegbe for 6 states for America, where their name na Texas, Indiana, California, Nevada, Ohio, and Maryland. My people, this na Pidgin News Network with man on the street. Make una stay well, oh.